Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need two things now: a correct, deliverable postal address and the AdSense prompt to request a PIN. Enter your name and address exactly as your local mail carrier expects it, because the system mails a physical 6-digit PIN. Once done, go to Payment Settings and request the PIN. This starts postal delivery. You do this so AdSense can legally verify your address and prevent fraudulent payouts. Do not delay. Initiate the request the moment the dashboard asks. Once the PIN mail is sent, track time. Typical delivery is 2 to 4 weeks, though it can take longer depending on local post. When the letter arrives, open it right away and write down the 6-digit PIN. Avoid transposing digits. Then sign into your AdSense account, go to Payments, choose Verify Address, and type the PIN exactly as shown. Doing this promptly prevents hold on payments. If you mistype, you'll be asked to try again. So take your time and double-check each digit. After entering the PIN successfully, your address is verified and payments resume. Congratulations, you're done. If you never receive the mail within about 4 weeks, request a replacement from the dashboard. Google allows a limited number of replacements, so only request when necessary. Make sure your displayed AdSense name and postal address match exactly what your post office expects, because mismatches cause failures. If replacements still fail, consult the AdSense Help community for region-specific advice and verify replacement limits before taking further action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.